A is for astronaut floating in the sky. B is for balloon flying up so high. C is for cat climbing up a tree. D is for dog chasing after me. E is for elephant big and gray. F is for fish swimming all the way. G is for goat eating all the grass. H is for house where I like to pass. I is for ice cream, yummy and so sweet. J is for jet flying very neat. K is for kite soaring in the air. L is for lion with a mane so fair. M is for moon shining bright at night. N is for nest where birds take flight. O is for orange juicy and so good. P is for pig eating all his food. Q is for queen wearing a fancy crown. R is for rabbit hopping up and down. S is for sun shining bright and warm. T is for tiger roaring big and strong.
U is for umbrella on rainy days. V is for violin that sweetly plays. W is for whale in the big blue sea. X is for xylophone, play it with glee. Y is for yak with fluffy hair. Z is for zebra with stripes so rare. A, B, C, D, sing along. Now you've learned it, sing it strong.
Keep learning with Samina Kids TV. Please like, share and subscribe.